Okay guys, real quick, that property over there in Sundance and Troy that I was telling you about earlier, it's actually going to go live on Wednesday. I have the first 2 hours booked for anybody who'd like to take a look. It is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, 2-story with finished basement. Beautiful property. It'll probably go pretty darn quick. For you that aren't working with me currently and would like to be in there, one of the first to be in there, click the link below and schedule a time. I've got the first 2 hours and it is a private showing, so only people who are registered will be allowed in. If you are currently working with another agent, just like normal, go ahead and call them and have them schedule you an appointment. Alright guys, you know how to do it. Click the link below if you want in, and the rest of the information is also through the link that I have attached for the property. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you soon. Go Blues!